Come with us as we stay at the Hampton Inn in St. Catharines, Ontario at the end of December 2025. We stayed in room 528, which was a standard 2-queen room. As you enter here, it enters right to the washroom, which has all of your standard amenities like a hairdryer, body lotion, soap, towels, extra toilet paper, and your in-shower shampoo and conditioner. The shower itself did have different modes that you could change the head over to allow you different types of streams, which was nice. It had a little something for everyone. Once you left the bathroom here, there was a barn door with a full-length mirror, which was great. The barn door then slid over as your bathroom door, which then opened up your closet with your extra bedding, iron and ironing board, as well as the luggage holder. There's a table here with outlets, as well as those cubes underneath worked as extra seating if you wanted to. They did have a nice sized television with your local channels on it that worked pretty well. The refrigerator here kept all of our beverages very cold, which was great. Your standard coffee maker with tea and coffee, ice bucket, and this cupboard did have shelving that pulled out so you could put in snacks, clothing, whatever you felt like there. A little desk for working. The little black things at the bottom of this window actually popped open so you could hear the outside, but when they were closed, generally you could not hear the highway noise. As you can see right there, that's Highway QEW. So it was a very busy highway and you could not hear anything while sleeping or enjoying your room, which was great. The beds here, the one on the right was perfection. The one on the left seemed like it needed a little bit of adjustment from maintenance because every time you did roll over, you made like creaking noises. So maybe a screw or something just needs to be adjusted, which is fine. In the lobby here, from the elevators, you just walk down this hallway. To the right is your check-in desk. Straight ahead was an area full of items if you forgot them from home. And then over here was the hot water and coffee. You can make yourself a tea to go or to stay. I did have a breakfast area we visited the next morning. There's a quick overview of the hotel lobby, which was decorated for Christmas. They also had a sideline sports bar that was connected to the hotel, which was great. And the pool that was open from 6 to 10. Tons of seating. No one was on top of each other. It was a great time there. Breakfast here was probably the most mediocre part of our stay. It had your standards: eggs, sausage, potatoes, toast, oatmeal. Unfortunately, a lot of it seemed like it wasn't super fresh because we were pretty much the only ones there when we went. They did a fresh fruit, yogurt. So I would say that was kind of the sadder part of our stay, but everything else was fantastic. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.